Hi everyone, today we have this Sander Parkside. The model is this PMFS 200C3. So I will show how to disassemble this one. Here I think this bottom part you don't need to take it. I'm not 100% sure, but either way I will take it because as you can see it's round here and it doesn't match here this side, so then when we are trying to take it around and move it, so it's not so comfortable to disassemble it, at least here in this side, because it's moving always a bit over the disc itself. So first of all, be sure that you have it turned off from the socket, the cable. I already did it. So let's take these the filter. So here is just twisting a bit. You can see here some error, and then try to pull it out like this. Still a bit dirty. I try to clean it the most as possible, but as you can see, it's still a lot of dust. This is very hard to take away. So let's take here this the disc itself. So with the tool it comes actually the right one, but I think is this one, the third one. Let's take it out and I'll fast forward. Okay, so the disc is out, and like I said, I think here you can see there is no screws here in the bottom. This is just the supports here for the other type of discs. And now what we have here these the screws over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 of them. Actually here for this one I needed to buy a screwdriver because I didn't have this size. So I think this PH1, this Phillips screwdriver, it's enough. So let's take it out. Just be sure that you use some screwdrivers that are long with these with the shaft here, otherwise you cannot fit it inside of the hole, because as you can see here some of them they are very deep, and some other tools, for example I have, for example this one, it's not so good because you need like a bigger grip to take out the screws. So let's disassemble, and I will fast forward again. Okay, so we took all the screws, I believe. Yes, seems so. So hopefully, let's see how can we now open these as well. Note here that we have here this soft material here that actually it will be tricky to take it out because this supports here, but as you can see over there it splits apart. So and it breaks here when you open it, or you take it with hand, all of it, or but it might break, or you will just simply break it like I did over here in this side. So okay, it opens. Okay, here we probably here need to cut this one. Let me see if I have here something to cut it with. I guess some razors that I have here. Yes, I do have here a razor. Not the most efficient, but let's cut it over here. Okay, I think that's it. Let's see. Yes, it continues to open. Okay, over here. Here you probably need to force it a bit. You can use this kind of pry tools, might help, but in this case, since this is more heavy machinery, let's say, these pry tools might not work so well. I'm trying to force it. Actually, it does. It's just pry it in. I can put a link in the description if you want to about these ones that I'm using. Okay, so I think it's coming. Okay, and one thing that I can see already is that it's very dirty. So before continuing, let's clean all of these. Probably I'll use the vacuum cleaner and just try to clean the most as I can. Okay, we did clean a little bit. Let's now continue to disassemble. I believe the rest is not very hard. Everything, I think it comes out right away. So let's start here with the button. You can see, you just pull it and it just comes out. Here, maybe these the same. Yeah, just need to wiggle it a little bit. Okay, so it does come out. Here in the process, I took this one that actually it's fitted over here. Does fit over here, but it has a spring. As you can see, the spring goes all the way in, and that's it. Even be careful because it will go out of place, as you can see over here. So just need to be careful for it not to jump around. So just be aware of that. This side as well, here the same thing. We have here a little spring. Let's see. See, it moves over there. Let's see if we can use here some small tip and to come up. You just okay, and it goes as well. This side it has the spring, and now I believe these all this main part is just slides up. You can see it's over there in place, so everything just pull it up and it does come out as well. The cables are here in the back, so beware of those. Some parts over here that where it holds, so it just came out. It's over here in the back, and this the same. So let's continue, and as you can see, everything comes out like this. I'll put it here, and probably I'll need to clean it off camera as well, and that's it. So let's and this is how basically you disassemble everything. Here there is not much more to disassemble. All of this is solder in places, all the buttons over here. So hopefully this helped someone how to disassemble. Actually, it's not that hard. Mostly just the screws, and everything else comes right away. Like I said, the disc itself, this one, you can take it or not, it's up to you. I did take it because it's easier, otherwise it would stay here all the time. So it's really up to you. For me, I took it away and it was much easier. So hopefully this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.